Hello student, let's try to answer one question student. What the question? In Dumas method for estimation of nitrogen, 0.3 gram of organic compound gave 50 ml of nitrogen collected at 300 Kelvin temperature and 715 mm pressure. So here what is that mass of OC they have given student? How much they have given? 0.3 gram. If you talk about the B1 they have given how much student? 0.3 gram is giving 50 ml what student? N2. P1 also they have given student. How much P1 they are saying? 715 student. 715 mm. And then what is their T1 they have given student? T1. How much student if you are talking about 300 Kelvin. Now student here you see calculate the percentage composition of nitrogen in the compound. Aqueous tension is how much student? 15 mm. So here is P2 student at STP, you know at STP what is P2 student? 760 mm Hg. This is the standard condition. Next one V2 we have to find out student. And next one T2 student how much? 273 Kelvin. Right. Now what we need to do student, we have to put the value in the combined gas question student. First of all there is the aqueous tension student. So P1 little bit will be changed student. 715 minus aqueous tension. So aqueous tension student we have to subtract the aqueous tension. Aqueous tension how much is there student? Aqueous tension it is there 15. So 715 minus 15. So it will giving that is 700 mm Hg. So student what we can put the value? P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to what is going to be? P2 V2 upon what is student? T2. Up dear student now plug the value. P1 what is the P1 value student? 700. V1 what is the V1 student? 50. T1 300 equal to P2 760. V2 we have to find out. T2 student 273 Kelvin. Now here you see V2 is equal to how much is going to come student? 700 into 50 into 273 divided by it is the 300 into 760. Here student how can you divide this value? 20 and 20 will be going to be cancel out student. 3 9 ja 27 student. 3 1 ja 3. So it is almost getting cancel out student. So it is 7 multiplied by here is 1010 is going to be the cancel out student. So what are the going to be left? 7 into 5 into what is student? 91 divided into here it was the 300 completely it's got cancel out student 76. Okay. Now let us divide and find out the values student how much is going to come. So let me calculate here, that is 7 into 5 into 91. So it is going to give student that is 3185 divided by what are there student? 76. So 3185 divided by 76. It is coming student 41.9 ml. Now that very simple student. So percentage in Dumas method percentage nitrogen how much is there? 28 upon 22,400 ml. Okay, multiply by V2 at STP volume at STP. Okay, of what student? N2. And here is mass of organic compound student, mass of OC taken, this we have to take mass of OC taken multiply by 100. Dear student plug the value 28 upon 22,400 multiply by V2 41.9 into it is going to be 100. Mass of organic compound taken you can see in the question 0.3 gram. OC is 0.3 gram. Now student let us multiply and get the value student. So 28 multiply by 41.9 multiply by 100. So student, it is going to be what student? 117320. And here this one student 22,400. If you are multiplying by 0.3, so how much is coming student? 6720. So student 1010 will be cancel out, and the value you see 11732 divided by 672. So it is coming student 17.458 percentage, or you can say simply student 17.46 percentage. So percentage nitrogen in this Dumas method student, how much is coming student? 17.46%. So thank you very much for watching student.